Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add card to Chase Bank digital wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Chase Bank on your phone, and right afterwards go ahead tap on this option of credit card, and from over here go ahead tap on the credit card that you would like to add to your wallet. Then from over there, simply scroll down to the bottom till you get this option of a digital wallet option right over there. Once you have above the Apple Pay, simply go ahead tap on it. Then you will get some digital pay option that it allows you, which includes Apple Pay, GPay, and PayPal. So for now, we will go with the Apple Pay option on top. Once you have done that, simply go ahead, choose a credit card which you would like to add. And then all you have to do is confirm that, and when you go to your Apple Wallet, you will find that Chase card of yours listed right over there, and you're good to go. So yeah, you will find your card right over listed over there. You simply have access to Apple Wallet and you're good to go. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.